I was having some early issues with the early 3D prints, not getting consistent layering down for the first layers. Now, I initially had thought that leveling the bed would be an issue, and I searched for solutions to getting the first layer to go down nicely or stick to the bed. And when you talk to people who know 3D printing, I'm guessing, uh, you find a lot of solutions for using a heated bed. Now this printer has a heated bed, so that clearly wasn't the problem. So then you go to finding leveling situations, and there's not a whole lot of mention to it. I kind of deduced this on my own, but my solution was adding extra layers to the skirt. Now what that did was allow the printer to just run for a little while and actually get started producing filament consistently. And for this print I have in front of me, I've got it set to 2 layers, and the entire first half of the layer, or I should say perimeter or skirt, or how many wraps around, however you want to call it, whatever the terminology is, it doesn't really matter. But the first half of the first time around the print where it's getting charged, no filament was even coming out, and this is the first print of the day. So that's one of the problems I found, and I hope this helps somebody.